Hey, what's happening guys, this is Rahul here and today we have with us JBL Flip 2 Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the physical overview of the box is basic, and on the front of the box the JBL speaker picture and JBL branding has been given. To the left side the functions of physical buttons is been given, and to the right side some technical specification is been given which you can read while pausing the video. And to the bottom of the box the detail of the brand and company has been mentioned. So let's unbox it quickly and see what we get inside. So the first thing we get in the box is the speaker itself with a micro USB cable in it. That is pretty much standard micro USB cable, but heavy duty, long lasting. The rubber quality is quite good. Next up in the box we get a documentation regarding the Bluetooth speaker and a quick menu start guide, which is not necessary to read well in my case. And let's keep all this stuff aside and have a look to the speaker itself. The physical overview of the speaker seems to be pretty decent and looks very decent and sturdy. To the back side we get a auxiliary input and a micro USB charging port. To the right side we get a power button, a Bluetooth pairing button and volume keys, which are pretty much tactile and feels great. And to the left side you do get a NFC pairing mode or NFC. That is good if you are having an NFC enabled phone. Onto the front you get a JBL branding with a metallic mesh to protect the speakers and some kind of technical specification or values. As you can see, the model number is JBL Flip 2. You do get a battery indication with LED lights, and we also get to see the rubberized base to protect the speakers while keeping on a smoothie surface or slippery surface. It won't fall. The physical buttons are very tactile and do have a LED glowing. To get in the pairing mode you have to press the Bluetooth icon button and it will start blinking. It means you are ready to pair. In terms of physical overview, this speaker feels great in your hands and very sturdy. In spite having a 2000 mAh battery, this speaker don't feel any heavy in your hands and will give you 5 hours of continuous playback time, which is great regarding the portability of this speaker. And to connect the speaker, if you don't have any NFC enabled device, you just have to go to the Bluetooth settings and start pairing. And if you are successfully paired, you get 3 options of connecting the speaker as a phone call mode or media mode or contact sharing. Contact sharing means you can hear the caller's name or caller's identity from your speaker. That's good. And let's listen the real audio. And as you can see, the audio is too loud in this speaker. The minimum volume also seems to be pretty loud, and you can even raise the volume by the physical volume buttons. The on-box specification of this speaker says that it has 86 decibel of noise level or loudness. Let's check. As you can see, the ambient noise of my clock is tick-tock, that goes to 35 or 36 decibels. And now play the song. And as you can see, the pointer does touch to the 86 decibel point, and that is good. While lowering the volume, the lowest volume goes for 44 to 45 decibels, and the final volume, that is the last volume, goes for 86. That is good. You can make this speaker stand in a vertical position by just putting it to the left side of the speaker. And let me demonstrate you the bass output of the speaker. And So the speaker does have a great output of bass, as you can see by the flickering of the paper. So that's all in this video, and if you want to buy this speaker, the best buy link is in the description.